Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix this error when it comes whenever you try to download any sort of file which is little bit dangerous or it contains any sort of virus. So Chrome will automatically detect that dangerous download blocked. So if you are also getting this error message while downloading any sort of file, so for my case, if I click this download button, and as you can see, automatically Chrome tells me that this is actually a dangerous download blocked. So now if you want to fix this error message, it's quite simple. You can see again it shows me this notification dangerous download block. So what you need to do, you need to simply go to the settings right here, and right here there will be this option here, privacy and security, and right here you go to the security section right here, and inside this by default it will be enhanced protection, and inside this the Chrome will automatically block dangerous downloads and extensions. So just drag down and you will see this option right here, no protection, not recommended. So I will not recommend this because if you enable this option, then no security will be there in Chrome, and for the time being you will be able to download that file. So just click on turn off, and after that, now if you try to download the same file, click the download button. So now you will be able to download that file here. So now you can see our download file has been successfully downloaded. So we can simply open this file inside our PC. Here you can see. So in this easy way, for the time being, you can actually go to settings, go to privacy and security. After downloading that file, I will recommend once again to actually change that option to enhance protection. So this Chrome AI will block any dangerous download. So for the time being, this is the actual fix to that problem. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.